Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening Ajio on mobile or desktop and signing in so results personalize. Type concise keywords like trending dresses or men's streetwear trending and apply season, size, and price filters. This narrows noise. Once done, sort by popularity or newest to surface current hits. Make sure to follow a few brands and turn on push or email alerts so you catch momentum early. That's how trends move fast and why immediate setup matters. Once you have initial results, dive deeper. Check ratings, number of reviews, and whether an item is selling out. Those are clear demand signals. Use color, fabric, price, and occasion filters to isolate the exact variant driving interest, and switch sorting to popularity or newest to see momentum. Save promising pieces to a wish list and compare similar SKUs side by side. This helps you verify if a trend is broad or limited to a single item. Make adjustments as patterns emerge. You finalize by validating choices against brand pages and Ajio's bestseller or trending tags. That confirms availability across the catalog. Decide, buy, add to cart, or set restock and price drop alerts so you don't miss out. If listings look stale or irrelevant, fix it quickly, clear cache, update the app, or broaden keywords and remove overly specific filters. These steps refresh the feed. And if a product shows inconsistent stock, watch restock notices as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.